Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York and I'm here in beautiful Atlantic City on a chilly spring day. Gonna check out the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. I just spent the evening in there in the North Tower, had a really good stay, did a little gambling. A lot of those videos are gonna be on the New York channel, so if you wanna check those out, you can. But today, we're just gonna do an overall general tour of the entire hotel and casino. Lots of new restaurants, lots of new things to see and do in there. So let's head inside and check out what's going on at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino here in Atlantic City. This is the marketplace. It's the lower or the boardwalk level of the Tropicana Hotel Casino. Lots of restaurants, a couple of shops, some new restaurants as well. The Tropicana, or the Trop as it's also known by, is the third largest hotel in New Jersey and the largest resort and casino on the boardwalk here in Atlantic City with 2,364 rooms, 3,000 slot machines, 30 restaurants, 30 shops, along with two 2,500 space parking garages totaling over 5,000 parking spaces. This place is huge. I did several videos on the restaurants down here, including Casa Taco and Tequila Bar and the brand new Hash House A Go-Go down here. I also did a video at Tony Luke's a long time ago, never actually published it or uploaded it. I think I'm gonna dig it up and show it to you guys. I enjoyed my meal here at Casa Taco and Tequila Bar. I believe I had the steak tacos. I had some jalapeno poppers. They serve freshly fried tortilla chips, which I really like, and a couple different types of salsas, and everything was served with fresh limes and lemons. Really nice touch. Good meal. I'll put a link to the video up on the upper right hand side here. As I said earlier, the Trop has opened several new lounges and restaurants in the past year, the Purple Zebra Daiquiri Bar being one of them. I know there's several of them around. The only other one that I visited as far as Purple Zebra was at the Link Hotel and Casino in Las Vegas. And its neighbor here at the Tropicana is Hash House A Go-Go, also located several locations in Las Vegas. I recently had a hamburger here for lunch. It's really known for breakfast and brunch, but I had a hamburger and it was quite delicious. And again, I'll leave a link in the upper right-hand corner. This is the corner market, a grab-and-go kind of place right next to the registration area. Also near the registration area is a hair and nail salon. I mentioned there's two parking garages here at the Tropicana, and if you parked in the one by the Havana Tower, which is approximately 25 miles away, they have self-check-in, check-out kiosks there, so you don't have to walk all the way to this registration area here by the North Tower. I may be exaggerating. It's probably closer to 22, 23 miles away. There's lots of towers here at the Tropicana, including the North Tower, the South Tower, the West Tower, the Havana Tower, the Chelsea Tower, and the Annex Tower. Right now we're heading to the Chelsea Tower, which is the smallest tower in the Tropicana with 358 rooms. This, along with the Annex Tower, was originally the Chelsea Hotel, In 2018, Eldorado Resorts acquired the property and connected it to the Tropicana via a sky bridge, which we're going over right now. Two of the best things about the Chelsea Tower here at the Trop is the Chelsea 5 Gastro Pub, where guests can choose from an extensive beer list, cocktails, and small bites menu. The drink menu features over 50 whiskeys alone. And the other good thing, actually great thing, is the Gilchrist restaurant, which we're going to visit in a moment. This is Clarice, the Miss America crown. She's hidden in all my Atlantic City videos. Sometimes she's easy to spot, and other times she can be quite elusive. If you spot her, leave a comment below on the timestamp where you found her, and you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. This is the Gilchrist, a breakfast brunch kind of place. They also have another location in Gardner's Basin here in Atlantic City. That one's indoors and outdoors. This one's completely indoors. I did a video in this particular Gilchrist not too long ago. I'm going to say a little over a year ago. I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner. I had a great pancake breakfast here. This is the outdoor area of the Gastro 5 Pub. Not open yet for the season. Great views of the boardwalk and ocean. And now we're back in the main area, right off the casino. This fountain always reminds me of Gatorade. I say that every time I pass it. We also have Tango's Cocktail Lounge on the left-hand side. We're going to head through the quarter here, which leads us to a lot more shops and restaurants, and also the Havana Tower. Let's take a walk. While I'm thinking of it, a shout out to Robert Camacho, who found Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, in my latest Las Vegas video, a tour of the planet Hollywood. Congratulations, Robert. Here's something to keep in mind, especially if you're checking into the West Tower here at the Tropicana. In 2008, a West Tower elevator malfunctioned after 21 individuals boarded it. The elevator plummeted 14 floors at 750 feet per minute due to unbalanced counterweights. The elevator failed to stop at the lobby and landed on the safety buffer in the elevator pit. Some passengers were injured. The most severe injury was a dislocated knee requiring reconstructive surgery. Some of the passengers filed a lawsuit against Tropicana and now own the West Tower. Okay, I'm only kidding about that part. Since then, the Tropicana and the elevator maintenance company have assured everyone that the elevators are perfectly safe now. I have just one thing to say. Hold on tight. Another thing to consider is if you're waiting for an elevator and clearly the elevator is packed, wait for the next one. Or if you're on an elevator and a family of 6 is trying to get on, just stick out your belly and say, "Not this time." This place is new. Ricky's Wings, Tenders, and Taps. It's not even on the website yet. I love this area of the quarter. Some pretty good restaurants. This isn't like fine dining, but it's really good restaurants, including the Palm, Cuba Libre, Broadway Burger, Carmine's, La Petite Creperie, P.F. Chang's. I visited most of these, not a bad one in the bunch. I had a great paella and mojito here at Cuba Libre. I'll leave a link in the upper right corner for that one. This is Broadway Burger. I had a great burger here as well as a huge pretzel with dipping sauces. You can catch that here also on the New York channel. This is a time for wine. When isn't a good time for wine? This is a Tenia Gourmet Food and Marketplace. This culinary paradise is a blend of fresh country market, gourmet shop, informal eatery, coffee shop, and takeout place. Very convenient if you're in the Havana Tower. If you're in the North Tower, check out the bus schedule. Wet Willies are everywhere in Atlantic City and Las Vegas, so if you're walking around looking for a Wet Willie, just stop into a casino. While we're in the French Quarter, before we go upstairs, let's check out and see what's downstairs. Down here you'll find the Iowa Avenue entrance to the Tropicana Hotel and Casino, and you'll find the lower entrance to Carmine's as well as the entrance to the Palms restaurant. Alrighty, we headed up the escalator, we held on tight, and now we're looking at the elevator lobby to the Havana Tower. This is the way to the Havana Tower parking garage, as well as a couple more restaurants, lounges, and the IMAX theater. This is Wild Honey, a barbecue joint here at the Tropicana. I had a great rib dinner with a whiskey chaser, and that video is available here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. I think I'll leave a link in the upper right hand corner. There's a bunch of nightclubs, comedy clubs, and sports bars up here, as well as that IMAX theater. Let's take a look around. This is a damn good sports bar and grill. Get into the game, enjoy a thrilling selection of thirst-quenching beers and dozens of TVs playing your favorite league's games. Alrighty, we headed on back downstairs to the casino level, and we have Boogie Nights, quite a popular nightclub here on the Atlantic City Boardwalk here at the Tropicana Hotel and Casino. This is Osu Japanese Tavern. Osu Japanese Tavern brings authentic Japanese cuisine and elegance to the Tropicana here in Atlantic City. This is Il Verde. Il Verde serves meticulously prepared gourmet dishes in an elegant yet relaxed atmosphere. Downstairs off the casino are some escape rooms as well as an arcade and the showroom. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the video, and if you are, give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, if you're not subscribed to the New York channel already, subscribe right now. It really does help the channel out. And while you're at it, if you'd like to support the New York channel, just click on that thanks button right underneath the video. I appreciate your support, guys. Chickies and Pete's, I'll get there someday, I promise. Hold on tight and stay tuned. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.